Hey guys, this is Airsoft over in here, and today I will be trying to get that can to completely snap. As you can see, it's on its hinges with my airsoft gun. So let's have a go. Let's hopefully I can do this. There we go. One shot it took me on that really small bit. I'm happy with that. Split right in half. This is the M901C. Just BB gun, so actually recently reduced it quite a bit. So as you can see, it's very powerful. This is, again, full metal gearbox and everything. There's a review of it on my channel, so check it out, you know. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed, and